Hello students, in this video we are going to start the chapter Cell Injury and Cellular Adaptations. In this video we will try to get an overview of the entire chapter. By the end of this video you will get an entire mind map of this chapter. And each and every part of and each and every topics of this chapter will be discussed in detail in the upcoming videos. So let's start the chapter. Suppose this is a normal cell, any normal cell of our body, and now suppose we are giving some mild harmful stimulus to it. Okay, now what happens is that this mild harmful stimulus will cause some damage in the cell. But this damage is very mild in nature. Such that when the harmful stimulus is removed, the cell can easily repair this damage and can convert into the normal cell and gain its normal functioning. As these damages are so mild that the cell can repair this damage by itself and can convert into a normal cell and gain its normal functioning. So this type of injury is called as reversible cell injury. If this reversible cell injury occur multiple times, then the cell undergo some types of changes. The changes are called as adaptations, and these are done basically to prevent or to reduce the harmful effect of the stimulus. Suppose these are the adaptations, these are the changes in the cell itself which the cell makes in itself to prevent the harmful effect. The cellular adaptations can be in the form of atrophy, hypertrophy, hyperplasia, metaplasia, or even dysplasia. Now you may think that what is the damage that occur in the normal cell? Now damage here means certain morphological changes that occur within the cell, and these are called as morphology of reversible cell injury. And these changes include hydropic change, hyaline change, fatty change, and mucoid change. We will discuss each of these in details in the upcoming videos. Now, due to this damage, some substances will get accumulated inside the cell, and these are called as intracellular accumulations. If this intracellular accumulations is present in any cell, it will indicate that the cell has undergone some type of reversible cell injury in its past. Now suppose this is another normal cell and we now give severely harmful stimulus to it. Now this severely harmful stimulus will cause certain damages in the cell, and these damages will also be in severe. Now as because the damages are very severe, the cell cannot itself repair this damage, and so the cell cannot itself convert into a normal cell. These damages will cause some irreversible changes within the cell. These irreversible changes will cause cell death. And this cell death is nothing but called as necrosis. Now, whenever necrosis occur in our body, calcium get deposited in the necrotic tissues. Calcium deposition occur. Calcium deposits. This calcium that is deposited in the necrotic tissue, and this type of calcium deposition is called as dystrophic calcification. This dystrophic calcification comes under a broad term called as pathologic calcification. In pathologic calcification, we'll learn about another entity called as metastatic calcification. And we will also see the difference between dystrophic calcification and metastatic calcification. And all this will be discussed in the upcoming videos. Now, so far we learned that cell death can occur because of some severely harmful stimulus. But cell death can also occur because of some genetic programming. That is called as programmed cell death. In programmed cell death, we will learn about two types of cell death, that is apoptosis and autophagy. We will also learn about some variants of this programmed cell death, like necroptosis, pyroptosis, and ferroptosis. Okay, now you must be thinking about that I have talked about this stimulus everywhere. Then what is this stimulus actually? These stimulus actually can be many. Let us know some of those stimulus. The stimulus can be lack of blood supply or lack of oxygen supply, like ischemia and hypoxia. There can be physical agents like mechanical trauma, thermal trauma, electricity, radiations. There can be chemical agents like chemical poisons, strong acid, strong alkalis, etc. Among these three stimulus, ischemia and hypoxia are very much important, and we will learn in detail how ischemia and hypoxia actually causes the cell injury. So this is all for this video. Hope all this gives a fair idea about what we are going to learn in this chapter. Hope this will create a map in your mind about this entire chapter, and every single details that is being discussed in this video will be discussed in detail in the upcoming videos. Thank you.